How to fix Binance Withdraw Suspended. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. So make sure to watch the video carefully until the very end. So in the first step, you need to launch your Binance mobile application. Now over here, you have two options. Now if the withdrawal is suspended in your Binance account, it simply means that you cannot withdraw your money in your bank account. In this situation, what you can do is you can simply use the P2P method. For that, you will have to tap on the More tab on the home page, or you simply need to tap on this Binance icon in the top left hand corner and then tap on More Services option. Here you will be able to see the option of P2P, so you will have to tap on P2P and then you will be landed on this page. Here you will have to tap on the Sell tab and then you will be able to see all of the merchants to whom you can sell your crypto, and in return they are going to give you the money in your bank account. Here first you will have to add your bank account. For that, simply tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, then tap on payment methods and then tap on add a payment method. After that, you need to select the payment method that you want to add, which can be the bank account. After tapping on bank account, you need to provide your banking details, and this way you will be able to add your bank account over here. Then you just have to come back to the P2P page again, tap on sell, select the merchant and tap on the sell button right next to their profile. Then you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer, and in the select payment method option, you need to select the payment method that you have just added over here. Afterwards, you need to tap on the sell button in the bottom, and this will do the work for you and this will fix your withdrawal. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.